In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer cash from your Venmo account to the bank account. Also, later, I'm going to show you the same thing in another video, how to do it from your phone. So in this case, you have to log in into Venmo.com, as you can see here. Once you're here, you go here where it says settings, here on the left side of the screen, settings, and then you go here where it says backup payments, basically, and then you here, as you can see, you can add the accounts. I have some already, but in this case you can add a bank account, or you can use a debit card just in case if you want to transfer the funds, using a debit card. The problem with the debit card is that you're going to get the 3% fee, so if you want to avoid that, just use the bank account. It will be better. Just click there, and then once you're here, you can select next. If you want to add automatically, basically using the username and password. So in this case, we're not going to do that. We're going to use it manually. So you can do that if you want to. You can use one or the other. Make sure that you know the username and the password of your bank account. Otherwise, you will not be able to do it. So as you can see, we have to enter the routing number, account number, and account number. So if you don't know how to get that, for instance, this is an example that I got. So basically, you have to log in your bank account, or maybe if you call them, maybe they will give you the number. So as you can see, here you have the account number, here you have the routing number, and then you go here where it says, or if you have a checkbook, it will be the same thing here. So as you can see, you have the routing number, the account number, and that's it. So once you do that, click save and continue. Usually they will deposit maybe 2 or 3 cents in a few days, and that's it. If you want something that is going to be right away, just use the username and password like I showed you before, and that will be faster. Otherwise, if you go here on the left side, like I said before, if you go where it says payment method, you can click here the same thing here, and then add the bank account, and it will be basically the same. You can use the debit card. So basically you are going to put the card number, expiration date, secure code, zip code, add, and that's it. So that is basically how you can do the transfer. Once you do that, and then you can transfer the amount of dollars that you have in your bank account in your Venmo to your bank account, and that's it. That should be it. Basically, if you want to transfer it, just click where it says transfer, for instance, and then once you click transfer, you can click instant if you are in a hurry and you need the funds right away. Otherwise, always I choose here 1 or 3 business days. It doesn't matter to me. And here in the bottom, you have where it says Huntington Bank, and sorry, and here in the bottom you have where it says the bank. So if you have multiple banks, you can select the bank that you want to transfer the cash, and that's it. So very, very easy. Hopefully this video was useful. If you have any question, please let me know in the section below, and if you want to learn more about banks, transfers, and everything, go to the playlist in my YouTube channel and you will see them all. Thank you, and see you next time.